Welcome to Drawlipa channel, and in today's video I am going to show you how to change screen zoom in your Samsung Galaxy A15 phone. So at first swipe from top to bottom and then tap on this gear icon to open up your settings app. Now from here scroll down a bit and then go to display option. From here scroll down again and here you can see screen zoom, then just tap here. And here it is. Now from here you can change your screen zoom. You can zoom in or zoom out your screen from here. At the bottom you can see a slider, and by removing this slider you can change your screen zoom. If you want to zoom in your screen, just tap on this plus icon and you can see it's changed successfully. On the other hand, if you want to zoom out your screen, just tap on this minus icon and you can see it's changed again. Now if you cannot find this option here, just go back and then scroll all the way down, then go to accessibility. From here go to vision enhancements and then scroll down again. And here it is. Here you can see screen zoom option. You can also change your screen zoom from here. And that is how you can change screen zoom in your Samsung Galaxy A15 phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.